Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money through the Hubspot affiliate program. If you're looking for a legitimate passive income opportunity in the software space, HubSpot's affiliate program offers solid commissions for promoting their popular CRM and marketing tools. Let's walk through exactly how to get started. First, open your browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find various links in the footer section, and you're looking for one labeled affiliate program. Click on it to access the main affiliate page where all the program details are housed. Now, before you rush into signing up, take some time to carefully read through what HubSpot's affiliate program actually offers. The page breaks down commission structures, requirements, and expectations. Go through each section thoroughly because understanding these details up front will help you decide if this program aligns with your goals and capabilities. You'll see information about payout rates, cookie duration, and the types of support HubSpot provides to its affiliates. Next, assess whether you're a good fit for this program. HubSpot looks for affiliates with specific skill sets that match their target audience. Ask yourself if you have experience in SaaS or software as a service promotion. Are you skilled at content publishing where you can create blog posts or videos about business tools? Do you create courses where HubSpot could naturally fit as a recommended solution? Maybe you have strong business-to-business connections and can refer companies directly, or perhaps you're an app builder who can integrate with HubSpot's ecosystem. Understanding your strengths will help you pitch yourself effectively. Take time to read through the section that explains how you can monetize your influence. This part outlines the practical ways affiliates earn commissions and what actions trigger payouts. It's crucial information for planning your promotion strategy. Before moving forward, check out each of the affiliate tiers HubSpot offers. Different tiers come with different commission rates and benefits, so managing your expectations here is important. Also, read through HubSpot's terms and conditions carefully. These terms outline what's allowed and what isn't, protecting both you and HubSpot from misunderstandings down the line. Once you've done your research and feel confident you're a good match, you're ready to apply. HubSpot requires you to send an email to affiliates@hubspot.com expressing your interest. In this email, include a link to your website and outline your promotion plan. Be specific about how you intend to promote HubSpot, whether through content, courses, direct referrals, or other methods. The more detailed and professional your pitch, the better your chances of approval. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.